Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram.
This is a 2015 GMC Denali 2500, so let's go take a look.
Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have your iron cross bumper. You're also gonna have your LED headlights and fog lights on this one. You have 3M all across the top of your hood here, and then you're gonna have your silver GMC badging. And then coming underneath the hood, you're gonna have your 6.6 liter Duramax with your Allison transmission. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have your black leather seats. They are heated and cooled. Lots of storage in your huge center console here. It's got 2 USB plugins, an aux plug-in, and an SD card reader. You have your 2 cup holders right here, as well as some additional storage. Then you're gonna have your 2 12-volt plugins and your 115 volt plug-in with 3 USBs, so you're really covered for long road trips in this truck. You have lots of plug-in space. Some storage up in your 2 glove boxes, and the top one does lock. This one comes with your touch screen. It has navigation. You also can hook up your phone for Bluetooth. Then you can control all of your audio as well. Come down a little bit lower, this one does have your dual climate control. And then a little bit lower down here, you have your adjustable pedals. You can turn on and off your park sensors. This is your cargo bed lighting. This button is for turning off your rear park sensors. You have your lane departure warning on this one, as well as your hill descent control and a built-in exhaust brake. And then the buttons for your heated and cooled seats are just to either side. On the steering wheel itself, you're gonna have your button for the heated steering wheel, and then you have your hands-free controls and your cruise controls built right in. This one also does have your adaptive cruise control on it. You're gonna have your memory seats on this one, so up to 2 different people can drive this truck, and if you just hit your 1 or your 2, it will remember who was driving last. You're also gonna have your power mirrors on this one, and then your trailer brake control is over here to the left-hand side of your steering wheel. Coming up here, you do have an auto dimming mirror, and then you're gonna have your built-in universal garage door opener. So each of these buttons can be programmed to a different garage door, and that's gonna save you some clutter up here. You're not having to carry around a million different remotes. And you're also going to have the buttons to control your sunroof. Now we're gonna go finish up in the back. In the back of this one, you're gonna have an armrest in the middle. It's gonna fold out flat. It's got 2 cup holders in it. You're gonna have some additional storage areas down here and right here, and then you're also going to have a 12-volt plug-in right there, so on long road trips, your passengers can plug in their devices. Lots of storage in the back of your seat pockets right here, and then up there you are going to have a DVD player. You also have a power sliding rear window in this one, and it does have a Bose sound system. You're gonna have some additional storage in your doors, and then your seats do flip up in a split. You're gonna have your all-weather floor mats and a ton of storage back here when the seats are flipped up. Great for groceries, sporting equipment, or any pets. If you wanna make this GMC yours, you can click the Shop Now button below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.